Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to talk about what is paint thinner and how to use it. Okay, paint thinner is exactly what it says. It thins paint, specifically oil-based paints, stains, and varnishes. This particular product is made with mineral spirits, and that's a whole nother class of product, but they sort of do the same thing. So if you have an oil-based stain or a varnish or a paint and you want to thin it out, in the kind of the trades, it was a trick. If you were using those paints, you'd put a little paint thinner in there, and if you were using it on raw wood, that would allow the varnish and the solids that are in there to penetrate deeper into the wood. And that was something that was used, for years and years, and still is today. And in particular, if you're using any oil-based stains, you would also use paint thinner to clean your tools. So unlike latex paints where you would clean those tools using soap and water, anything that is petroleum-based, if you want to clean and reuse those brushes or the rollers, whatever it might be, you would use paint thinner as the cleaner. Keep in mind, this is petroleum-based, so it has quite an odor. You need to make sure that you're using it in a well-ventilated area. You want to protect your eyes and your hands when using it because it can be an irritant, but it does a really nice job when you have to clean anything that was an oil-based product and bring it back to life. Coming up next, my video on tung oil, what it is and how to use it.